Hey guys, welcome to a new Crunchyroll tutorial video. This is the third one. I have done a mobile version for the app and just a PC version. This is another mobile version, but it's way simpler. And you have to use like a browser, as you saw in the title. So yeah, first thing you want to do is download the ad blocker app called AdGuard. Make sure you get the right one. Has a bunch of reviews and stars. Once you get that, open it. Make sure this is on the green check mark thing, and there also should be updates. I think like an update. You tap it and it takes about a minute or two. After that is ready, you go to Safari. Make sure it's on a private tab. I'm not sure if this works with Android devices on your browser, so yeah, don't take my word for it. Like, see if you have AdGuard on your app store type thing. So you go on here, you go on Crunchyroll, make sure it's on a private tab. That's what's worked for me. It might work on a different type of tab for you, but it doesn't work like that for me. It only works on private tabs. Just Naruto, I guess. See, there's normally ads, and no ads. Try another one. No ads. So that's it for this video. Way more simple than the other mobile one. The only thing that's worse is that you can't use the app, but the trade-off is definitely worth it. So yeah, goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe.